A dependable sprinkler system is vital for a thriving lawn, and as your trusted irrigation sprinkler company in Lehi, Utah, Dr. Sprinkler Repair is dedicated to giving you just that. Whether it's sprinkler leaks, uneven watering, or winterization, we have the solutions. Our Lehi sprinkler repair services encompass sprinkler installation system upgrades, routine maintenance, and emergency services. Dr. Sprinkler Repair Utah County takes pride in being your reliable partners in lawn care. Contact us today at 385-789-5922 for all your lawn sprinkler irrigation needs in Lehi, Utah.